Hello, this is David Elmore. I came to southern Illinois to photograph the solar eclipse and to send up my drone to watch changes in the sky during totality. After it gets to 400 feet, I will have it rotate continuously at 43 seconds per revolution. We are now about 1 minute from totality, and you can see the dark sky to the southwest. I am a retired physics professor and am here to take photos for the NASA Eclipse Megamovie Project. Just seconds before totality, you can see I shot the diamond ring and Baily's beads. Now in the west and south, we can see the red sky showing through from under the moon's shadow, over 100 miles away. The darkness of totality came quickly, and there's even more red sky in the distance. Lights come on in the darkness, and you can see the town of Benson 12 miles away. The drone camera is set to automatic exposure, which is why the brightness of the ground varies depending on the sky. Now I'll speed up the video until halfway through. We are now centered under the moon's shadow, and there's red sky all the way around. Now I'll speed up the video again until the end of totality. As totality ends, the red sky is only in the northeast, where totality is headed. The shadow moves at 1700 miles per hour, which is 1/2 mile per second. Just 20 seconds after totality ended, the shadow is 10 miles away and seen as just a narrow dark band along the horizon. The next time around, the shadow has moved another 20 miles, and the dark band is out of sight with just dark sky to the northeast, and you can't see any light on the horizon under the shadow. This ends our eclipse drone video. I hope you enjoyed it.